Hello, so I'm just outside of Tanjay. This is the first time I've seen semi. Hang on, I'll get up on the sidewalk. A semi livestock street market kind of thing. Hoi! Look at that. Look at that fella right there. Oh, well, that's a sow, obviously. Wow. Hey, sows. I don't want to get attacked, you know. All right. Hey, how's the weather? How's the weather? Oh, you don't say. Livestock. Woo. Big money in the Philippines. Hey, you like Jollibee or you like McDonald's? Hi.
Hi.
Nice. All right. Hey. Big guy, big one. Yep. Hey. Oh, I already have a farm.
You have a farm?
Yeah, I have a farm. Yeah, well, I got everybody. Yes, yeah. Oh, what the heck? Damage. I'm okay, man. All right. Alrighty. Hoi. Jesus, Murphy boy. Yeah. Tanjay City rocks. Tanjay City rocks. Hey. Yeah, they're all in sacks so they don't get frightened because of the traffic and. Whoa! Hi. I'm okay. Look at all these guys. Wow. Wonderful. Hey, man. What? I'm okay. Hey. And there it is. Morning. Are y'all from Tanjay?
Come here. Hi.
Tanjay?
Go.
Yeah.
Our
Tanjay?
hello.
Hello. Yeah, it's the first time I've seen, like... Yeah, there you go. Okay, thanks, guys. And there it is. Well, we got lots of goats. Goats are called canding. Yeah.
Want to buy this one?
I actually own a farm already. I'm okay. I'm just vlogging for Tanjay. Big.
Okay, big.
Yeah, he's really big, eh?
Big.
2 big, 3 big, 4 big. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay, heading off to Buy Ace. Okay, cheers.